Hello, I'm Sakshi Patil from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, pursuing degree in mechanical engineering. Welcome to process of 2D meshing HyperWorks. A 2D mesh is essential for simulating planar problems by breaking down this geometry into smaller elements. HyperWorks is a powerful tool for this process, providing various tools to create and refine your mesh efficiently. First, we need to import a 2D geometry into HyperWorks. Let's start by importing a model. Now that we have our geometry, it's time to measure a minimum length of geometry for element size. Now it's time to set the mesh parameters. And by giving our minimum element size, select the element type as a quad. Now adjusting the mesh density by setting the element size. With the parameter sets, let's generate the mesh. Let's check the quality of mesh with the help of this warpage order deviation Jacobian. It's great, there is no error. We can see it in left corner. Now as we can see, 2D shell mesh is ready. Now let's check the quality mesh also. There is no error. Now again importing the model. There is 3 types by which we can do tet mesh, tetra remesh, volume tetra. I am going with volume tetra for that meshing of this part. Now by selecting the solid as a volume, have to select tetra for tet mesh. For quality meshing, have on curvature and proximity. Then giving our element size, I am creating the mesh. After waiting for few seconds, we can see the tetra mesh is done. For this tetra mesh, checking the quality of mesh, we need to check tet collapse. For few seconds, we can see the tetra mesh is done. Now using mask command, we can see this element is proper shape of tet. Now again importing the model, we have to do 2D mesh on this by selecting the surface. Now from 3D panel, we have going to use drag command for hex mesh. Now by giving element size, we need to drag this element to the length of that part. In this, we need to check the connectivity between elements. If there is less connectivity, we need to use Tools panel. In that, selecting the faces, we can do change a tolerance between connectivity and give equivalence to it. Now the meshing is ready. Now by using mask command, we can see that the hex meshing is done.